8:43, good morning. Live look at our tech stock cameras, Loop 289 in Frankfurt, northwest side of town. But you know, Taylor,
there's no one on the road right now, Kevin.
There's a few people. I know. Well, hey, they're watching the show.
There we go.
Hopefully.
I hope so.
And you know, whether you get outside now or hopefully after the show in a few minutes, it's going to be gorgeous out there. Temperatures are comfortable. We are in the 60s right now. But you know, we've been talking about temperatures. I want to give you a visual from last night into this morning. This is actually a time-lapse view of our McDougal Company Skycam. Look at that sunrise. I know, Taylor hit it best. Wow. Looks nice out there, feels nice out there. Good Sunday morning to you at home. It's really nice out there today. We're seeing a few cars out there, no traffic this morning, no rain. Temperature-wise, that's a story, the first story I'm tracking today. It's cool right now, but not the case this afternoon. 92 in Lubbock, 91 Tulia, 93 Childress, 93 in Jayton, 92 Littlefield, 91 Fiona, and hot spot today, southwestern South Plains, 92 to 94, maybe as warm as 95. So it's going to be hot area-wide today, above average area-wide, but hottest southwest. And the warmth comes with some wind this afternoon. It's going to be gusties from about 10 o'clock in the morning to maybe 2 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Just think warmest time of the day, probably the windiest. We're not windy right now. Sustained winds only about 10 or 12 miles per hour, but we should really see those winds ramp up here over the next couple of hours, and they're going to hang in there through about 4 to 6 o'clock this evening. We lose the sun, and thankfully we will lose the wind. But that's not the only story I'm tracking. Also a slight chance for showers, maybe a weak thunderstorm coming up later today, and that chance is slim. Tracking that chance hour by hour, it looks like between 2 and 4, we're going to remain dry. 4, 6, and 8 o'clock. That's the time I'm watching it. And in Raincast, it looks like we are going to be dry at 4, but it's that time period between 4 and 6. We will see a few showers and storms develop west of Lubbock. They're going to move northeast. Now, notice how isolated they are. One across northern Lee County, one south of Roswell, and nothing else going on. So what does that mean? It means the chance of you seeing rain in your backyard and your plans being impacted this evening, they're very low, so don't cancel anything. Whatever does develop west will be gone and off Super Doppler HD3 by news time, 10 o'clock this evening. So I don't expect rain to be a big story, but there's your slight chance, maybe a little bit greater chance across the western South Plains and along the state line. And then that's it. Tomorrow we lose the rain chance, but we're going to continue to be warm, and we are going to increase those winds even more. A 0% chance of rain, mostly sunny skies, temps in the 90s, and look at that southwest wind. That wind is going to keep us warm through the middle of the week. So Monday, tracking the wind out in Windcast, hour by hour. It does look like the afternoon again is going to be the windiest time frame. Kicking off tomorrow morning at 7 out the door, south breeze 10 to 15. You factor in the temperatures, and it's going to feel nice out there, but by noon we're getting gusty, sustained winds 15 to 20, and then sustained winds are actually going to remain gusty through at least the early evening hours. Tuesday, Wednesday may lose the wind speeds a little bit, but it will be warm. Taylor, the main thing I want to talk about is with the winds, with the dry air, with the dry grass, fire weather danger. It's going to be a little bit elevated here over the next few days. For those searching for a cold front, cooler weather, it looks like next weekend, that's the time I'm looking at right now.